Welcome to Aura and You. On today's episode, we will be engaging this beautiful stone, Aquamarine. Aquamarine, powerful crystals for healing, protection, and clarity. Take a moment to close your eyes. Picture yourself standing at the edge of the ocean. The salty breeze kisses your skin. The waves gently roll in. And for just a brief moment, everything is peaceful, still, calm. This is the energy of Aquamarine. But this isn't just a beautiful blue gem. It's been carried by sailors across vast seas, used in ancient rituals, and even believed to be a gift from mermaids themselves. So, what makes this crystal so extraordinary? And how can it transform your life? Let's dive into the mystical, healing power of Aquamarine. A crystal with a rich history, the journey of Aquamarine. Aquamarine isn't just ancient, it's a world traveler. In the past, sailors swore by its power, believing it was a treasure from mermaids, protecting them from fierce storms and shipwrecks. Imagine holding the ocean's power in your hands. That's how Aquamarine was seen. It wasn't just sailors who adored it. In ancient Rome, it was thought to rekindle lost love. In the Middle Ages, it was revered for its ability to sharpen the mind and bring wisdom. Even today, Aquamarine is sought after to clear the mind, heal the heart, and help find the courage to speak one's truth. Aquamarine's secret superpowers. Now, let's explore the magic of this crystal, because trust me, Aquamarine is always working in your favor. 1. The emotional reset button. Ever feel like your mind is racing a mile a minute? Like you can't escape the constant overthinking? Aquamarine is like a deep breath in crystal form. It calms anxiety, quiets emotional storms, and helps you go with the flow. Known as the Stone of Courage, it doesn't just calm, it empowers you to stand strong in tough situations without being overwhelmed. 2. The Ultimate Truth Serum. Have you ever struggled to find the right words? Or maybe you hold back, worried about how others might react. Or worse, you speak but feel unheard. That's often a sign of a blocked throat chakra, your center of communication. And guess what? Aquamarine is one of the best crystals to clear that blockage. It's like a truth serum for your soul, helping you speak from the heart with confidence and clarity. This is why singers, speakers, and writers love working with it. It helps their voice shine. 3. Your personal energy bodyguard. Here's something not everyone knows. Aquamarine isn't just a stone of peace, it's also a potent protector. For centuries, people carried this crystal as a shield against negative energy, bad vibes, and toxic people. It also enhances intuition, so if you've been struggling to trust your instincts or make decisions, Aquamarine can clear the mental fog and bring powerful aha moments into your life. How to use Aquamarine to unlock its full potential. So, you've got an Aquamarine crystal, or you're considering one. But how can you make sure it works for you and doesn't just collect dust on your shelf? Wear it as jewelry. Keep its energy close by, especially as a necklace. It rests near your throat chakra, enhancing communication. Hold it for confidence. Got a big conversation or presentation ahead? Hold your Aquamarine and take 3 deep breaths. Let it calm your nerves and empower your voice. Meditate with it. Place it on your throat chakra while meditating. Visualize a wave of blue energy washing over you, clearing doubts and fears. Use it in water rituals. Being a water stone, place Aquamarine in a bowl of water under the moonlight to recharge its energy. Place it on your work desk. If you need to stay focused and communicate effectively, this crystal will be your ally. Who is Aquamarine calling? Hint, it may be you. So, who really needs Aquamarine in their life? Let's see if this resonates with you. If you feel overwhelmed and stressed, and you're seeking inner peace. If you struggle to communicate your thoughts and feelings clearly. If you're a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, Aquamarine naturally aligns with your energy. If you're drawn to the ocean, water, or the feeling of deep emotional balance. Final thoughts and call to action. Aquamarine is more than just a crystal. It's a reminder to breathe, trust the process, and flow with life. Whether you wear it, meditate with it, or keep it close by, this crystal has the power to bring profound transformation. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you own an aquamarine crystal? How do you use it in your life? Let's talk in the comments below. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crystal wisdom. Sending you light, love, and the peaceful energy of the ocean. Until next time, stay radiant.